What's the meaning of County Durham? County Durham. County Durham.
County Durham. County Durham. County Durham is a ceremonial county located in the northeast region of England, UK. It takes its name from the city of Durham, which serves as the county town. The county is bordered by Northumberland to the north, Tyne and Wear to the northeast, Cleveland to the southeast, and Cumbria to the west. County Durham has a rich history, with evidence of human habitation dating back to the Stone Age. It is home to several historic landmarks and attractions, including Durham Cathedral and Durham Castle. The economy is primarily based on industries such as engineering, manufacturing, and tourism.